Hello and welcome to this demo. My name is Amit and today we are going to showcase our new app we call Figure Free. Figure Free is a mobile application developed to safeguard our women against crimes such as rape, molestation, etc. We are going to learn today how Figure Free can help you. How do I use it to safeguard myself? And how as a society we can help safeguard our women. Let's have a look. Today a mobile phone has become part of our body. We take it with us anywhere and everywhere we go. This, if you ask us, is one of the best weapons against crime. However, a normal smartphone out of the box is not well equipped to tackle certain distress scenarios quickly. For instance, let's say you are confronted by a person, going along a very narrow alley somewhere in a remote place where probably there is no one around, right? The only way to call for help in such a scenario is to call one of your friends from your phone. Now, if you can imagine, this process, as you know, takes a long time. You will have to take the phone out of your pocket, maybe out of your purse, switch it on, unlock it if required, then go to your contacts, search the friend who is more likely to help you, and then finally dial the number. And even after all this, it doesn't end there. It is your friend who has to answer the phone in the first place. You'll have to, once he answers, you'll have to tell him the exact location, ask him for help. You have to explain the scenario, the situation, and then expect him to respond. Typically, in a scenario, all this is time, and all this time, do you think your perpetrator, whoever it is, will be standing by calmly to let you finish? Absolutely not, right? He might snatch your phone and throw it away, making you totally helpless. This is where Figure Free comes to your rescue. With Figure Free installed on your phone, all you have to do is take your phone out, press the power button once, and shake your phone rigorously. Or you can simply keep pressing the power button continuously. What this does is Figure Free will detect a panic situation and get into a panic mode. It uses GPS technology to know exactly where you are at all the time, and within seconds, it will send one or more SMSs containing a link to your exact location to all your loved ones, and also it will call them automatically one after the other until one of them answers. Now, the link that Figure Free sends to your friend and family will help them find the exact location of yourself on a map, so they will know exactly where you are at what point of time. The best part about Figure Free is once you set it in panic mode, you and only you can stop it, and it will ask for a particular password. Only then it will stop panic. Until then, it keeps transmitting your location to your friends. And we also have this cloud sync technology built into it that will allow your friends and family to trace all the routes you have taken in that day and where you are going after you are triggering a panic. So this happens in real time online. Now, it's really sad that India has come to this stage. We simply cannot change the way things are at the moment. It will take a lot of time and effort to change the mindset of our people. But I would like to say one thing. If it can happen to someone else, about whom you are reading in the papers, it definitely can happen to you as well. With the current state of affairs in the country, I say you are almost alone in this war against women atrocities. So save yourself smartly rather than being unsaved. Figure Free is one such weapon that will help you in your bad times. It is like a life insurance. You have it installed, it works all the time, does not bother you, and you use it when you need it. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Figure Free for you. Our mission is to protect women's rights and make this world a safe place for women. We have patent pending in 140 different countries. We are serious. Install Figure Free today. Be safe and be figure free. Thank you for watching. Until next time.